Welcome to another Epic Ethics story, part of the Daniels Fund Ethics Initiative Elementary School program. As you listen to the story, consider the 4 awesome questions, inspired by the Rotary 4-way test. Is it true? Is it fair? Will it build friendships and community? Will it be helpful to those involved? Stay with us after the story for some thought-provoking discussion questions.
And now the story of The Sound of Bread, a Persian folk tale. A beggar was given a piece of bread, but nothing to put on it. Hoping to get something to go with his bread, he went to a nearby inn and asked for a handout. The innkeeper turned him away with nothing, but the beggar sneaked into the kitchen, where he saw a large pot of soup cooking over the fire. He held his piece of bread over the steaming pot, hoping to thus capture a bit of flavor from the good-smelling vapor. Suddenly, the innkeeper seized him by the arm and accused him of stealing soup. "I took no soup," said the beggar. "I was only smelling the vapor." "Then you must pay for the smell," answered the innkeeper. The poor beggar had no money, so the angry innkeeper dragged him before the Qadi. Now Nasreddin Hodja was at that time serving as Qadi, and he heard the innkeeper's complaint and the beggar's explanation. "So you demand payment for the smell of your soup?" summarized the Hodja after the hearing. "Yes," insisted the innkeeper. "Then I myself will pay you," said the Hodja, "and I will pay for the smell of your soup with the sound of money." Thus saying, the Hodja drew 2 coins from his pocket, rang them together loudly, put them back into his pocket, and sent the beggar and the innkeeper each on his own way. The end. Discussion questions. Was it fair, unfair, or maybe both for the innkeeper to accuse the beggar of theft? Explain. Can you tell of a time where you felt you were unfairly accused of something? What are some words you would use to describe the innkeeper? Fortunately, Hodja was around to solve the dispute between the innkeeper and the beggar. What do you think might have happened if they had tried to resolve the issue themselves? When do we need a third party to intercede in a conflict?
This has been an Epic Ethics recording, generously sponsored by the Daniels Fund Ethics Initiative. We'd also like to thank Colorado Rotary District 5450 for your service above self and support of peaceful schools. For more information about the Epic Ethics program, or to bring this program to your elementary school, contact us at www.epicethics.org.